All right. So we've been waiting for this trend line, right? We've been waiting for the price to come down and bounce off of this ever since it broke this first trend line that we had, right? And we're getting a clear bounce from it right now. However, I'm not, I'm skeptical on how much of a bounce we're actually going to get. I would expect price because we have come away so far on the daily, so far from the 50 EMA here, right? We're really extended. Price likes to come and correct itself right around the 50 EMA. So I'm expecting price to maybe, you know, pump up to there before getting rejected if we're going to get some more lower lows. And so we could be getting, this right here on the daily. This is clear bullish divergence, right? We have lower prices, but momentum is starting to pick up. So we're getting a bullish divergence right after it hits the key level that we've been waiting for it to hit. And so this could be, for me, this is like, hey, green light entry point right now. Let's do this. So we're gonna right now. I'm not gonna get in quite yet. I'm waiting to see what happens with this 1 hour retrace. It looks like it could be going down here. As you can see, we have a overbought signal. So um, there's that, and we have green vector candle zones from this pump right here. So a whole bunch of people going long right here in the last few hours. Um, and then now it's time for the market makers to take profit on their liquidations. So
Do their
let's
thing.
yeah, exactly. Because right now, right, this is the market makers taking shorts and gonna go ahead and take their profits here. Because what you like to see is like these, slow trend is the friend. Slow trend is the real trend. All right, these quick little bursts, they're not real. They don't usually last too long, right? So, I'm expecting somewhat of a retrace, maybe just until we get down to like back to like 38,000. We pretty soon, maybe, right? Maybe we hit this level here, and then we start bouncing up to higher prices. But I'm gonna be looking at the 1 hour to maybe make my entry point here on the Kimono wave. But yeah, or I just wait for the daily to print. We'll see. But I'm looking. Yeah, it's looking like we could be seeing, a nice bounce from this. If we don't, then yeah, we're looking at lower lows and we're going to 28K. No, I don't. Not saying that. Not fudding or anything. Just reading the charts, guys. I'm just reading the charts. All right,
Reading the tea leaves.
ape. Right, we were talking about ape. It had this giant. Let's look at ape. Yeah, look at this. Look at
Whoa,
this mess.
jeez. Wow. Le pump and le dump.
Yeah, exactly. Right, because what happened here is like Elon Musk tweet.
Elon tweeted.
So
Oh
funny.
no, it
The
wasn't really
tweet.
what we thought it was. Oh
Yeah,
no.
giant tweet. And really what this is like, right, everyone that like was like, hey, we're going long at this point here, blah blah blah, right? They got their price back up here, so they're like, hey, we gotta
Yeah,
get
a
the
bunch
F
of
out.
people exiting.
We're getting out. No, but yeah, this was basically pump, raging. um would have been great, right? It slams to 200 EMA and just
Yeah.
sell orders just go
That's a pretty
crazy. Brings it.
like just like really classic bounce right there off of an important level.
Yeah, and it just
It's
came
200
right
and
back
just
down to this range.
came right
So,
back down, yep, to where it was.
oh yeah, that was
AKA
it.
nothing happened. Blip on the
Yeah,
radar.
yep, exactly. I mean, it's just a giant,
Oh,
right?
all those people that bought that candle.
I
What
mean,
the
see here, like if you were like going on this would have been
oh,
so great to like gone in on the 1 hour kimono wave here. You go in
yeah,
long and you just
no joke.
take
Yeah, that
profits,
definitely
but you
that
don't know
called
when
it right
that's.
there.
You just don't know when Elon's going to
Yeah.
tweet. So
That is incredible.
yeah,
How much liquidity got trapped within 1 hour? $1
yeah.
billion essentially of liquidity got trapped in an hour.
Yeah, just got trapped up there. So now it created this giant vector candle zone here.
Jeez.
So, as it's just like, yeah. So maybe the price will return there soon, but I don't know. There's still a lot of FUD going
Out
around.
there
A
somewhere is
lot of
someone who
FUD.
just smashed their monitor screen.
ADA is up
Making that happen.
6%. Who saw that
Oh
coming?
man, Cardano.
Yeah.
To the moon.
Yeah, look at this.
Cardano lift off
Giant
to
green
the
vector
moon.
candles. On the 1 hour, though, here, we are looking
Yeah,
like we could be
tapping out
printing the
potentially.
end of this pump. So be wary of that. If you're going long now, there's a good chance you are going in at the top. All right.
We.
So this could be a good time to short because look at all these green vector
Mm.
candle zones that we could see the price come return to.
Yeah, or
And
at least wait for just the retrace there. If it has another leg, there's at
yeah,
least going to be a retrace.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
So
So um, could be some good short opportunities, but we'll see. 4 hour looks like pumpage. Daily says, hey, we're green to go, but um, it's not like it's one day, guys. It's
yeah.
one day. This could be followed with a nice big candle straight back down. So, yeah, that's what I'm seeing on the charts. That's
Okie
what I'm
dokie.
seeing on the charts. So, yeah, anything else? Any other token you want to
Um,
take a look at?
did you look at ETH? Yeah, did we look at ETH?
Let's take a look at ETH.
Yeah, let's take a
Let's
look at ETH.
check it out. It's up 2%.
It's been
Not
quite
quite
steep.
as much as Bitcoin right now. Um, but dang, they got to get that version 2 out, man. I think for ETH, because
Yes.
I think the Yuga Labs thing
Yeah,
really
that wasn't good.
put a lot of for a lot of ETH maxis, like they put a dent in their armor. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So if we
for
have, so I
sure.
mean, we're really in this range right here. Well, let's pull out. Let's see what kind of point of control we're dealing with here. So okay, I'm looking for the price to possibly get right back down here for ETH for a nice long, right? Hit that bounce off of this point of control, get higher highs, because what we could see, like a nice W pattern here, right? We could see prices come up, boom, boom. Oh, I messed up there, and then we break some higher highs. I mean, the price could go up higher. I mean, we have um, green vector candle zones up there, or red vector candle zones. So yeah, we could totally see the price come on up here, and then reject off of it. But I mean, look at this on the daily. Oh, it's just been a brutal range right here of just buy and sell signals. It just doesn't know what it wants to do. It's so close to 250 EMA is so close to the 200. We just got to see that cross upward for us to get more bullish on Ethereum here. But it does, let's look at lower time frames here. What's 1 hour look at? 1 hour looks like we're down. We're ready for a retrace here.
Yeah.
We got an overbought signal. So let's see if the price comes down a bit and then we get another nice little pump and continue this positive momentum. But we'll see. It's kind of, on Bitcoin, right? It was pretty far extended from the 50 EMA. Yeah, we're extended from the 50 EMA here, but I mean for Bitcoin, we were like 4%. What are we here on? Another 4%. So, this could be good entries because it's like, you expect the price to like kind of spike up at least and get to that 50 EMA and challenge it. So it's like, hey, 4% gains here and there. Write it on leverage. Hey, 4% gains, 25x. You're talking about 100% gain right there. So, not financial advice that you're definitely playing.
Of
You're
course.
playing a
Yeah.
risky game there for sure. In a
Yeah.
bear market, you're going long for, so be careful. It's also, it's hard for me to short down at this level too. Because if you think about it, it's like Bitcoin, for example, is like down 50% from its all-time high. It's like, you're gonna start shorting it when it's already down 50%? Like it's hard. And after rejecting right now off of some key levels, like you're gonna sit there and also be shorting right now. It's hard. It's that one, and this is the hardest part to be like, okay, right? It's hard as a trader to say this is when I'm longing.
Yeah.
Market's been going down forever. It's hard to sit there and convince yourself to go long, but this is exactly the kind of mindset you need to be
Yeah.
able to make profits.
Got to trade against the trend sometimes.
Right.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's where we're at. So we're at critical, we're still at critical levels. And but this could be, daily bullish divergence. Looks great. Let's hope it prints. Let's hope it's a good day, and we continue with a strong week.
Oh,
That's my weather report.
that was such an optimistic end to the weather report.
Taking hopium, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Just
I'm hoping for at
hopium in
least
everyone's
4%
face.
gains. Yeah, yeah.
Hot boxing the room with opium.